Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Hawaiian TV. So today I'm going to tell you about two of the most common layout issues in Dorico that you might have and the way to solve them. So let's go. All right, so the first one is for a situation that you might have that your last bar in your system is not filling your system. It's just halfway. It's super easy to fix. All you have to do, it's super easy. Just press J to open the jump bar and go to layout options. Alrighty, and then go to node spacing as you see here. So if it's difficult, you couldn't find it, you can just also write node spacing here, but it's just the fifth one down here. And all you have to do is to just untick this box here. And if you untick it, no matter what, it's gonna make this full. It's gonna always be connected to the end here. But if you wanted to have it automatic, you can also mess with this percentage here, which is also fine. But if it's just a normal situation that you have, you can just untick it and it will all the time fill that last bar. Hey, are you tired of your old mouse pad? Get a shortPAD and make your desk a happy place. All right, and the second one is mostly about filling the each frame in a page. So for example, as you can see, I have a double string setting here, and I wanted to fill the whole page, not just to have it just halfway. And not just for the first page, what I'm going to tell you, it also solves the problem if you have for other pages. So not just the first page, this is for all the pages that you have in your project. And this is also super simple to fix. You just press J, you go to layout options, all right? And if you forget that it's this last one, vertical spacing, you can also write it here as I was telling you before, vertical spacing. And the first option that you see when you click on vertical spacing here is this vertical justification, all right? And what you can do is quite similar to the setting that we had before, just lower this amount. I'm gonna put it on 20%. And then, as you can see, it solves the issue. And there you have it, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can always leave it down in the comment section. Till later, Homayun out.